Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching me. I hope everyone feel good, not sick, because it's coronavirus just crazy, but I don't want to speak about this. I want to introduce amazing show. I like this so much. It's named Hunters. I will put here name. It's about Jewish people, German people, about Nazis. I don't want to tell you a lot about this movie. I want you to see yourself, but end of this movie, just incredible. Really, you should watch this movie 100%. Okay, let's go ahead and jump to see what's inside. And I have two Boxycharm box. One it's classic and another one premium. And first one, this glow recipe watermelon mask. Looks like this. I will open this package. Really, I love this mask so much. I used to have bigger one. It's amazing, your face so moist, so juicy. Smell this mask so good. It's my really favorite smell. It's really like fresh watermelon. It's small size. It's like 30 milliliters. I have bigger one. This mask costs $22. Really, it's very like, you know, liquidy. It's not very like thick one, but really it's gorgeous mask. Really, this mask smells so good. Sometimes I apply just on my hand like cream. It's so soft, 1 minute my hand perfect. Really like this mask so much. Okay guys, and next one it's I Am Beauty Care. I don't know how it's correct. It's from Israel brand. It's vitamin C serum makeup remover wipes. I don't try these wipes. I don't know if it's good or bad. I can just smells so good. I like how it smells. Really nice smell. And these wipes cost $17. This one $22 and this one $17. I pay for this box $25. Okay. Another one product, this Glam Glow Berry Probiotic Recovery Mask. I love this mask so much because I have the same one. I have two exactly the same. It's very perfect mask. I can open, I can show you how it's here. You can see it's new one. The smell so perfect, your face very smooth, like soft, like so like juicy, moist. Really very good mask. I like. What I want to do with this mask, I have another one. Maybe I will do giveaway. Okay, stay tuned, and a little bit later I will tell you what I need to do to get this mask and something more. I love this mask. Its mask costs how much? This mask costs, Glam Glow Berry mask costs $49. Oh my gosh, $49. It's very nice. Really, it will be nice giveaway. Okay guys, another one product, this one brushes. I don't know why it sent me again brushes. I don't know, because before I have box, I will show you, I have this one brushes, it's new too. But again brushes sent me. It's 5 brushes set, it's eye brush set, and price $28. I don't know, I have another one like this. For before I ordered two, always send me brush. I don't know why, but maybe this brush I will do giveaway. It's so cute, you can see. It's bright, cute, nice, new. I don't try this brush, and this brush go giveaway today too. I can tell you later about this giveaway. And another one product, this concealer cover corrector. What about this concealer? It's from Italy. It should be creamy, nice, but have 3 colors. This is darkest one. It's named Toffee. It's not my color. Of course I can use for client, but I don't know. I think I should do giveaway too. You can see this package looks like this. But some concealer really looks very cute. You can see. Like pen, it's nice to put in your bag. Very nice. You can open like this. It's magnet. When I close like this, magnet I like. And some concealer, you can see how much product here. Smells so good. I don't try how it's applied. I won't give away guys this product. And another side you can see like it's sponge. Another side. And this sponge antibacterial. And this cost, I will tell you how much, $24. It's not cheap too. And today my giveaway, this mask, these brushes, and this one concealer. It's first my giveaway, and what I need to do guys for this giveaway. Please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Instagram, and take some comment on my YouTube and Instagram, please. And next week I decide which comment the best and send you this, and make sure you from United States. Now it's very difficult, send somewhere far, and I will happy to send you guys. And don't forget, put some comment. I hope nice. If it's not nice, it's okay too. Everything, it's up to you. Okay guys, and this box done, and price total together $140. I pay $25. Again, really amazing, amazing, amazing. And I like it so much. This mask, if you don't try this mask, you should try this mask. It's really, truly very, very good mask. But this Lamp Glow, amazing too. I like this mask too. Okay, and let's go ahead and jump to see what in premium box. To be honest with you, it's not bad, but I prefer classic box than premium. And this one costs $35. It's more expensive, and I like classic box more. It's maybe very strange. Okay, and I show you first product. First product, it's Sugar Rush. Box looks like this. Really, this package is so beautiful. So cute. I like this so much. Really beautiful, perfect. It's plastic. It smells like my favorite ice cream. It's birthday cake. Really, my favorite ice cream, birthday cake. I will try this, of course. My lips. Smells so good. I like. Really love. Nice. I will use another one product. It's Smashbox eyeshadow. I don't know. I'm not too crazy for Smashbox eyeshadow. It's nice eyeshadow too, but it's cute packages. You can see it's beautiful eyeshadow. I'm not fan eyeshadow Smashbox, but again, Smashbox, it's very nice brand, professional makeup brand, but it's not for me. I will save for another one giveaway. And this eyeshadow cost, I will tell you. I have this special paper. Okay, eyeshadow cost, Tarte Sugar Rush cost $12, lip balm, and Smashbox eyeshadow $23. Really, I save for another one giveaway. Another one product, this KEVYN AUCOIN mascara. I already tried this mascara, and not bad mascara, but if you have nice lashes. If you don't have nice lashes, it's not very thick. It's separate, make little bit longer and little bit thicker. Very natural mascara. Very natural. If you like big eyelashes, it's maybe not for you. You can see this brush. It's curved brush. I like this brush, but mascara really very natural. It's nice mascara, but it's not my favorite mascara, but it's not bad. And mascara cost $29. I pay for this box $35. It's more expensive than classic. When you order classic, you can plus order premium $35 plus, and you have 2 boxes. Okay, next one product. I like this product. It's Milk Makeup. It's full size. It's full size. It's color Glimmer. It's glow oil lip cheek. Really, it's nice when you're not crazy for makeup, when you don't like so much makeup, and you always on the go. You drop in your purse, and really so cute. It's easy to open. Have like protector. I can show you. I'm open full product. Really feels like that's it product. You will use long time this product 1000%. Here really a lot product. Small things, but you can see how much here product. I will show you how it's applied. You can apply on your cheek. You can apply on your lips, on your eyes. You can apply too. And I will show you like on my cheek, of course, a little bit. You can see how it's pink, but you can just, and really very natural. I will swatch for you here. It's beautiful, like oil, pink, have a little bit, it's not glitter, it's like shimmer, small, very tiny, very nice for your cheek, for your lips, very cute. I like this too. And this one costs $15. If you don't like so much makeup, you like on the go, please check this brand, Milk Makeup. And next one, eyeliner Kat Von D. Packages looks like this. It's color DARKWAVE. Looks like this. It's very cute packages. I like. And guys, I don't want to open this package because I just bought like Marc Jacobs eyeliner like this color. The SMASHBOX I have like this color. I know this product very nice. I have black eyeliner. It's not easy to apply because here felt tip, how it's correct, I don't know, but sorry. And bulletproof, smudge proof, really very good product. And I decide this product not open and save for giveaway maybe next time. Okay guys, and last one product, these brushes, Paddington. And really I won't say about this Best Bud Pony, but really guys, on the lips, it's not shiny, it's nice for men, but again, men can wear it shiny too. It's nice for men, but I don't feel anything and I like how it's moist. And these one brushes, it's cost like $19. To be honest with you guys, I will never pay $90 for these brushes. It's not bad brushes, but it's heavy, it feels not cheap, but you can see I show you like this. Again, this not bad brushes, but it's not $19 brush. It reminds me maybe a little bit, but it's heavier than Sephora and Mario brushes. It's not bad, it's very soft. I think I will use this brush, but I'm happy for this bag, yes. And if you pay separate everything, you will pay $174 for premium box. I paid $35. Overall, I'm so happy with all of my product, what I get. And guys, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel, leave me comment and subscribe to my Instagram and leave comment too. And I hope this giveaway come to you guys. And thank you for watching me, and please subscribe to my channel if you still not subscribed, and see you next video. Bye.